I woke up this morning, I was in a spin. I faced the day with my head caved in. I'm feeling lonely and I was feeling blue. I realized there's only one thing for me to do, and that's go fishing. Yeah, I'm going fishing. Well, I never catch no fish, but it helped me chase the blues away.
That's better.
Just a couple of normal sizes.
Alright, we got one rod in each with a normal size. John's putting the monster on the hand line. Yeah. Alright. It is a big mullet. Fish on.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Cool.
Yep.
Oh, it's a good one.
Oh, John.
That looks like a good one.
Which way are we going? Bring the net. Oh no, we can't do it this way. There's no way down this way. You got to come for a walk, Barra. Got to walk him against the current all the way back there. And it's... I knew that wasn't going to happen.
Shitting me.
No.
What'd you do?
Johnno changed the big bait on his hand line. He took off the one that's already been barred and he put a live one on. Do you want me to put this on your head?
Not really
Running.
yet.
That's what happened last time.
Running. Alright, here we go. Ready?
No, I'm ready. Yes! Yes!
Well, it's definitely it's running. It's pulling line out slowly.
That's what was happening last time.
Yeah, I missed it last
It's
time.
going the right direction, down to where we can land it.
Look,
Get down there.
it's going against the current as well.
Yeah. What kind of hook you got on? Big J?
Not a big one. A 10, considering the size of the bait. So look, now it's going back that way again. This is what I did last time. It started going back.
Yes.
Right, it's gone off that way again now.
Yep.
Here he goes again. It's taking a line. So I might. Alright, here we go. Ready?
I'm ready.
Yes!
Yes! Are you getting down there or down here?
So I might go down here.
Here, because out here it was.
Yeah.
I remember the tree. That's how far I have to go.
Ow!
So I had to get down there.
Ow!
Oh, it's a good size.
Yeah. You got the brag mat? Yeah.
Yep, I've got the bag net and the camera. That's all we need, because we're not going to keep them.
No.
Alright, are you getting down on me?
Yeah,
Someone has
I'll
to
get
down
there.
first.
Oh, 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 ow, ow, ow.
Should have turned around, done it the other way.
Uh oh. Come on, fish, turn over. We've got a chance of getting gill raked here. That's it, the hook's come forward. Oh, he's a good fighty fish. Oi! He's heading towards that.
Whoa, the dark mode is hot. Should have put my shoes on. What do you want me to do?
Nothing.
That's what I thought.
Yeah.
Are you going to get down and land it yourself?
Yeah, because we got that current flowing as well. He's a good
Don't do what I do. Break it off.
That's all right.
Nice, he's a good fish.
Ow. Got to get down here somehow. Oh, look at that.
On your bum, quick, grab him now. It's good. That's a good fish.
Corner of the jaw. Look at that.
Oh no.
Look at that.
Oh no.
Oh, sorry, fella. Oh, look at that.
How big?
It's a 98.
That's better. Alright. He's very muddy. I'm gonna give him a quick wash. Doesn't matter, I've got one if he gets away. If he's ready to swim, she. Oh, what?
Go on, Mrs. B.
Show us your tail. In the sun, here in the shade. That's it.
Come on, Lily, come on.
She's off.
Trying to get up. 99.
99. That's what we came for.
98, I think I said.
Wow.
I think it was 99. I managed to stretch him to a metre.
It's hard because it's not completely flat there either.
Yeah, so I'll say 98.
Yeah.
You have no trouble getting down when you have to. Stand on my leg.
Are you really?
Yeah. Ready?
Yeah. Thank you. Woo. Ah. Hey, look, mine's running. We have to do it again. River's just picked up again, so this is the fresh water flowing out of the May River. It's obviously raining a lot more up there. There's lots of water flowing out, and it's just, since we've been here a couple of hours, started speeding up. Thanks for your 20 cents, whoever left these here for us. Much appreciated. I earn more picking up rubbish than I do on YouTube.
I realize there's only one thing for me to do, and that's go fishing. Yeah,